This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 80 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, May 2025, exercise 21. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Honorable members, my government has taken significant steps to create a world-class sports ecosystem in the country. Initiatives like the Khelo India scheme, the Target Olympic Podium scheme, and the establishment of the National Sports University are contributing to this vision. A special sports center for disabled athletes has been opened in Gwalior. India's teams, whether at the Olympics or the Para Olympics, have consistently delivered outstanding performance. Recently, India also achieved remarkable success at the World Chess Championship through the Fit India movement. We are building a strong and empowered youth force in building a Viksit Bharat. The role of research along with the role of farmers, soldiers and science is of immense importance. Our goal is to establish India as a global innovation powerhouse, to promote research in educational institutions. The National Research Foundation has been established with an outlay of 50,000 crore rupees. Additionally, 10,000 crore rupees is being invested to foster innovation in science and technology under the Vigyan Dhara Yojana. India's contribution in the field of artificial intelligence is being elevated through the launch of the India AI mission. The National Quantum Mission aims to position India among the leading nations in the field of frontier technology. Para. My government has introduced the Bio F3 policy to boost bio manufacturing. This policy will serve as the facilitator for the next industrial revolution. The focus of bioeconomy is one on the efficient utilization of natural resources to create new employment opportunities while preserving the environment. My government has worked with strong determination to lift the economy out of a state of policy paralysis. Despite global concerns such as the COVID-19 pandemic, its aftermath, and war-related uncertainties, the Indian economy has demonstrated remarkable stability and resilience, proving its strength. My government has implemented several significant measures to promote ease of doing business with the spirit of one nation, one tax. The GST system was introduced, which has been benefiting all states across the country. Due to policies like Make in India, many major global brands now proudly display the label Make in India on their products. India's small traders from villages to cities play a vital role in driving economic progress. My government considers small entrepreneurs as the backbone of the economy and is committed to providing them with new opportunities for self-employment in various areas. Stop.